Hey guys, so Too Faced just launched a whole lot in a brand new collection, and I actually have the blush right here. Now, I got this, luckily. She went into the back at Sephora and got it out for me, so this is a brand new product, and this is their Cloud Crush blush in the color Velvet Crush. Now, there are 6 shades in the collection, Velvet Crush being a really beautiful one. I picked it up. But you've got also Head in the Clouds, which is a dusty muted pink, Candy Clouds, which is a cool, soft pink, Watermelon Rain, which is a beautiful fuchsia, and then Tequila Sunset, which is a muted peach, and Golden Hour, which is a satin peach pink. Now, the satin peach pink color, again, super beautiful. I decided to pick this one up because I didn't really have anything quite this shade in my collection right now, because I've really been going through everything with the move and, you know, decluttering. So I picked this up. I think it's super beautiful and I can't wait to try it out. Now, they do have some interesting instructions to apply this blush. On the website, it says their suggested usage for this is to mark an X on your cheeks and then go in and kind of blend it out with an O. So we're going to try that method today, which is not how I would normally apply my blush, but we're going to try that. So this is their blurring blush, which I think is really awesome, and I can't wait to, you know, really test this out and see if it actually blurs the skin. This is it. I think the packaging is super cute. I love that. It's kind of like a luxe feel to a Gucci packaging, but this is really nice. I love the little heart detail right here. Now, I do have to let you guys know it's a Too Faced product. We have to smell it. According to the website, and I will read this to you guys, this says, ultra smooth, cushiony velvet powder offers a seamless wash of buildable, rejuvenating color for a natural blurring effect with a soft second skin feel that wears like a dream. This is buildable, blendable, and this smells like a tropical beach. That's right off the website. Now, if I smell this, this does not, to me, smell like a tropical beach. This smells like citronella, nutmeg, maybe a little bit of cinnamon. I honestly, if I think of tropical beach, I would want to smell something that smells like a pina colada, something coconutty, but this is not giving me that. No. But it's not horrible, but the citronella-ish smell, not fabulous either, but you know what, we're going to work with it. So this is it here. Love the packaging. It's got a cute little mirror. Love that. I'm going to pick up just a regular blush brush. This is a Scott Barnes. I'm going to take a little bit of this product on the brush. Try this X method. X. And then O. Okay. I'm not heavily convinced that that did very much for me. Alright, so I'm going to pick up a smaller brush and do that again, because it really just didn't do anything for me. I'm not getting much of a color payoff. There's a little bit there, which is actually looking kind of really nice, but let's go in with a smaller brush. I'm going to pick up just a little bit of that product. Tap a little bit off. Again, we're going to do an X. And then an O. Do you guys see a difference? Do you like that blush application? Too Faced, I don't know. I love your products, but alright, I'm not feeling the blush application. I am going to go in. We're going to pick up a little bit more. Again, I'll use the smaller brush just because I have it in my hand. So I'm just going to start right here, apple of my cheeks, and just kind of blend upwards, because you never want to drag it down. Always blend up towards your hairline. And you're kind of always going towards the tip, the high point of your ear with your blush. Okay, so the color is really pretty. I mean, I could really deepen this up too, so I'm going to go in with just a little bit more. The scent, though, you guys know I don't love scented products. Too Faced always has scented products. That really bugs me, but the scent is really kind of getting to me. The blush, on the other hand, blurring, yes, really easy to blend out. Kind of loving it, though. It's really pretty. I kind of want to play more and get that peach shade that I should have probably picked up. But like I said, I had to get her to go into the back and pick this up for me because it is so brand new. But yeah, blurring 100%. It doesn't show any textures on my skin. I kind of love it. I love the color. It's beautiful. Now this XO method on this side, I just want to blend it out. I don't love that method particularly. I kind of am into my own method. But let me know in the comments down below which side you guys like. If you guys like their side right here with the XOs or my side. I think it's really pretty for what it is. I kind of want to try more shades. The smell though, the smell is getting to me. Would I recommend this? Let's get real. You have a lot of blushes. I have a lot of blushes. The smell in this isn't for me. Maybe it's your favorite smell. Maybe you really dig this smell. So, you know, go to Sephora, test it out. I really do like the color. I think that's really, really pretty. I'm going to see how long this wears throughout the day and get back to you on that. If you guys love the consistency of this blush, honestly a similar product I'm going to say that I've got in my collection is probably this one right here from Jouer. This is an older product. Obviously this came out a couple of years ago, but similar in the fact that it's just so blurring. It goes on so smooth and pigment is very, very similar. Love this one. So check that out. And if you guys haven't seen my last video, check it out right here. Alright guys, until next time, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye.